Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make shrimp gravy. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of fresh shrimp, peeled and deveined. We'll also prepare a simple roux with 4 tablespoons of butter and an equal amount of flour. Make sure to have 2 cups of chicken or seafood broth on hand, along with a small onion and 2 cloves of garlic, finely minced. These are the building blocks for a delicious gravy. Now, let's get cooking. Start by quickly sautéing your shrimp in a hot pan for about 2 minutes, just until they turn pink. Remove them and set aside. In the same pan, melt 4 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Whisk in 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, creating a smooth roux. Continue to cook this mixture for 2 to 3 minutes, stirring constantly, until it achieves a lovely light golden hue. With your roux ready, it's time to build the gravy's flavor. Add your minced onion and garlic to the pan, cooking them until they become fragrant, about 1 minute. Gradually whisk in 2 cups of chicken or seafood broth, ensuring there are no lumps. Bring the gravy to a gentle simmer, stirring often, and watch it thicken beautifully. Season generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a small pinch of cayenne pepper for a subtle kick. Almost done, carefully return your cooked shrimp to the thickened gravy. Stir gently, allowing the shrimp to warm through for just 1 to 2 minutes. Avoid overcooking them. For a fresh touch, garnish your finished gravy with some chopped fresh parsley or sliced green onions. Your homemade shrimp gravy is now ready to be served hot over fluffy rice, creamy grits, or warm, buttery biscuits. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.